Hi all, this is Ayushi. I'm a fashion consultant and beauty expert at Pankuri. So in today's video, I'll be covering with you a few hacks to get fuller eyelashes and thicker eyebrows. As we all know, we have seen a massive evolution in this particular beauty trend from the arched eyebrows of the 80s to the thick, textured, untamed and bushy brows of the 2020s. To follow the trend, I have come up with a few hacks that you can try to get those lashes and eyebrows. So let's get started. Massaging your eyebrows with oils like coconut, olive or castor oil is one of the best home remedies. Massaging enhances blood circulation and hair growth. You can take a mix of coconut oil and castor oil. Since castor oil is really thick in texture, you can massage it over your eyebrows and eyelashes. Leave it overnight. You can follow the same procedure for a month or two to see the results. Milk has protein which stimulates hair growth. Take some raw milk and apply it on your eyebrows and eyelashes with the help of a cotton pad. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it with lukewarm water. Onion juice is rich in minerals and fibers. It helps in enhancing hair growth and strengthening it. You can take 1 teaspoon of onion juice, apply it on your eyebrows with the help of a cotton pad, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. Petroleum jelly helps in maintaining moisture in your eyebrows, conditions it, hence helps in supplementing hair growth. You can apply petroleum jelly over your forehead twice a week, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with cold water. A few of us knew that aloe vera helps in hair growth. The aloin compound present in aloe vera helps in hair growth to a great extent. So you can apply aloe vera gel over your eyebrows and eyelashes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. You can apply it daily to see the effects. Brushing your eyelids every night helps in removing dust, improves blood circulation and hence enhances hair growth. So you can also try this hack as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful in some way or the other. To know more information about beauty hacks and skincare routine, you can follow our page or you can click on the link below to chat with us. Bye.